A backup is only worth anything if two things are true. You can actually restore it, and it doesn't live on the same server it's protecting. Let's make a real one of this WordPress site, then prove it by bringing the site back from it. I open the Sites panel and go to the Backup tab. Every service has one. It shows me exactly what goes into the bundle. For WordPress, that's everything: a dump of the database, all my uploads, themes, and plugins, the compose file, the secrets, and the web server config. Everything I'd need to stand this site back up from nothing. And notice what it doesn't do. It never leaves the backup on the server. A backup sitting on a machine that later crashes isn't a backup. This one gets built, streamed to my computer, then deleted from the server. The copy that survives is the one in my hands. There's a stronger option too. A bulletproof backup that briefly pauses the site so nothing gets half-written mid-capture. Worth it before a risky change on a busy site. Mine's quiet, so I'll take the normal one, no downtime. I click Make a Backup, and Faro, the built-in assistant, lays out the exact commands it's about to run. Dump the database, then pack the files and config into one portable bundle. I read it over and approve. Every change to my server waits for my OK first, and it builds the bundle. And there's my backup. A download button right in the chat. One click, and the file lands on my computer. And it's wiped from the server the moment it does. That file is the real thing now, something to keep somewhere safe. Now the half that actually matters, getting it back. I start a restore and drop in the file I just downloaded. It streams straight up to the server, no browser size limit, no waiting around. Faro reads the bundle. It's self-describing, so it knows exactly what's inside, and asks the one question that matters: bring this site back in place or clone it to a new domain. I want this same site recovered, so I choose Restore in Place. Faro warns me plainly, this will overwrite the running site, and shows every command before it runs. Same as before, I approve. It unpacks the bundle, rebuilds the site's containers and its data, and reloads the web server. A short wait. And there's the proof. I reload the site, and here it is, exactly as it was, rebuilt entirely from a file that was sitting on my laptop a minute ago. That's a backup you can trust. So that's backup and restore, end to end. Download it, keep it off the server, bring it back anytime. Make one before every risky change. Use the bulletproof option on busy sites, and remember, you can also clone a backup to a new domain or send it straight to another of your servers. It's the same tab on every service, databases and apps included.